I like to have a coffee at McDonald's, so we're now going to the drive-thru at McDonald's. Yeah, but slow down a bit because I have to see where we have to turn. No, we have to make a U-turn. See, we have to turn
right here?
Yes, turn right at the light. Go right to the right. Okay. So it says U-turn permitted, so you can make a U-turn.
Can still make it?
Yes. And go in the left lane straight away, faster, drive
In
to the
400
left.
meters, turn left onto Ellen Street.
Stay in that lane there.
In 200 meters, make a U-turn at Ewing
A
Road.
bit straight a bit?
No, straight ahead. And then left.
Make a U-turn at Ewing Road.
That wants us to go back home. We have to...
Now turned it off. Okay, you're right, Marjorie. Go a bit further that road.
Yes.
Yes, yeah. And then turn left a bit further. Because we're gonna take the turn to the McDonald's, Marjorie. Okay?
Yes, I like my hot chocolate.
You like your hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, turn a left.
Turn left
Yeah,
here.
just where that truck goes further. No, we don't go there. To the left here, yes, okay. Watch that pedestrian. You see someone walks on the road, you got to slow down when you see people. Some people, they walk on the road, just slow down. We've got to go to the right, park here on the left a bit, because we've got to wait for the cars there. You see, you wait here somewhere, because you don't want to get too close, because then see, otherwise that car couldn't go past. You see, like that's why you have to keep some distance, because that's the turn off to the McDonald's where we're gonna buy a coffee. Okay, you go, but wait here, still wait here on the left, wait here. Okay, wait, look behind you. Can you turn right? Be careful, there's no other car coming behind. Okay, go in the left lane. So you got to stay in the lane. Okay, so we have to wait, of course, for the other cars to wait till they get served, and then we can buy our coffee. And I think, Marjorie, you like a hot chocolate, is it?
Yeah,
and
I like hot chocolate.
yes, and well, your driving, it is improving. She is getting better.
I hope I can get my license as well.
Well, it will probably maybe another month
another
or so.
6 months more.
Nah, not 6 months, probably maybe another
but
month.
I just like to take it easy because I don't know how to do reverse parking yet.
Yeah, I think it will take at least for you another probably 1 or 2 months, but
But it depends on how much we do practice.
yes, yeah, the more you practice, the better you get at it. That's the idea. That's how you learn. You only become good at driving, learn more the more you drive. That's the only way to learn more. Can you open your window? That's
Most
the
of
first.
this time it's only
That's the first.
takeaway, not much. I'm not
So first, of course, you have to open your window when you're gonna buy at McDonald's,
Of course.
because you have to talk to the operator or cashier what you're gonna order. So that's the first thing.
So we only
that you
get
have.
hot chocolate and large cup.
And that's all you have to do. You have to buy this. So we're now driving towards the speaker,
This
and
one
then
here?
yes, the first speaker here it says.
Please hold forward to the next speaker. Thanks.
Okay.
So we have to drive to the next speaker. There is another speaker there. Okay. So drive. Go in the front a bit further. Okay. Ho. So you're in front of the speaker.
One large cappuccino with one sugar.
Sorry, what was that one?
Large cappuccino. Coffee.
Large cappuccino.
Yes, please. And one small hot chocolate with no sugar.
Both on full cream milk.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
No worries. And was there anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Awesome, mate. 55, Jackie. Thank you.
Okay, go around the corner, drive slowly, little bit to the left. Okay, then turn to the right. Okay, then turn to the right. Okay, then drive.
Thank you.
No, there's nothing here. Wait, drive in front of the
Yeah.
thing there. That's where it is. That's where you've got to pay. Oh, in front of it?
Yes.
Okay.
Was that just a large cappuccino, small hot chocolate?
Yes.
Oh, so in the coffee, it is one sugar in the coffee, isn't it?
And no sugar.
And
in
no
the
sugar.
chocolate.
Yeah.
That's, one sugar in the coffee and no sugar in chocolate.
Oh, I think she did put that on.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Is it
Thank you.
cappuccino?
Yeah.
Oh, just down to cafe window.
Yeah. Thank you.
There's your change.
See? So now we go to the next window, and then we can pick it up.
Yeah,
So
you
we
think?
just slow down here. There is a window here, so there we can pick up the drink. Bit further, drive in front of the opening. Always.
Any cappuccino on the hot chocolate?
Yes, please.
No worries. Can I just get you up to the third window? We'll hand it out from the third window.
Sure. Thank you.
Is that the next window?
Yeah.
He said. Yeah. Okay. Drive now to the next window. When you drive to the window, drive in front of the opening. Remember that. That's important. Slow down. See, that is the opening. He's gonna open the window there. So when you buy your food, or whatever, is drive to the front of the opening.
Hey, is that a cup tray?
No,
No,
that's
thanks.
okay.
Thank you.
And there he's bringing. Wait, you gotta wait for him. He's slow down. It is okay. Drive there and now. Oh, see, watch that car. Let him go. He's gotta wait there. It is okay. Go to the right. He's waiting. Go to the right here. Okay, park straight in the front there, and then we're gonna have a drink. Okay, you see that other car park next to that one on the left, straight ahead there. Okay, look to the right, to the left. Okay,
This
just
is a good way of parking.
straight. Yeah, that's easy
That's
parking
the
when you.
easiest way of parking. I have everything.
Jerry is gonna have a drink now. It
Thank you
is.
for the hot chocolate.
That's okay. We are gonna reverse now, so you have to look backwards and see if it's clear. Look to the other side as well to see if it's clear behind you, or look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. There's their car coming, so yeah, look in the mirror, look behind and make clear, and then turn, and then look again, turn more. Okay, then straighten it up, go to the right, ho. Okay, put it in drive forwards, give way to that car that just came. I think he had to wait, but sometimes you can give way as well, and just drive straight in. And then turn to the left there, see where that car is, turn left there. And then, yes, turn left here. There's other cars, they're gonna buy food or drink, but we don't go there now, we go to the left. Okay, look to the right. First, look to the right. When it's all clear, Then, oh, slowly, there's a car. See, turn to the left. Don't make the turn too wide, because then you go over the line in the middle, which is not good. Okay, it says only left, that arrow, so you can only go to the left. You can't turn right here. You have to turn left and then give way. It says give way, so you have to wait or stop and then give way to the right. Wait till them cars clear, and then after that you can drive. Just wait till it's clear and then drive. So just wait. Okay, after that car, wait. They're fast cars, so you have to wait. When it's clear, you could have gone go, and then to the right lane, yeah, go to the right lane, right lane, and make a U-turn. It says U-turn, so where it says U-turn, we turn, make a U-turn. So you have to wait till that arrow goes green. It's now a red arrow. When that's green, we can drive and make U-turn. It says U-turn permitted, so you can mostly only make U-turns where there is a sign U-turn. Okay, that car has gone a bit forwards in the front, so you drive a bit forwards as well, so you don't stay behind too much behind other cars. And it's green now, the light, so we make a U-turn, turn around and make a U-turn. Okay, stay in the left lane and drive further. It's red there, so slow down. It's green now, so the cars are slowly gonna drive, so we just continue and slowly drive behind them till they go faster, and then drive faster as well. Okay, it's 60, so we can't. No, yes. Well, yeah, you can turn left at the next exit to the left. It says an arrow on the road to the left, so we can turn left there. But slow down and look to the left, look to the right. Okay, wait, slow down to the right. Okay, drive. You should next time slow down a bit more, because I don't know if it was, you gotta slow down in junctions. Don't go too fast near any corners if you don't have to. Continue straight ahead. Go in the left lane. Go in that left lane, because that's straight ahead. Yeah, the arrow is green straight ahead, so you can drive. Okay, turn left where that truck came from, and then turn left here. Slow down at the corner, of course, and then turn left. And then at the next corner we have to turn right. Slow down a little bit, because there's people walking on the road, so you have to wait for that. Wait till they pass the road. You can't run people over. They shouldn't be walking there, but that's the way it is. Okay, turn right, drive, and he even waves and gives us, he says thank you for waiting, and it's all good. Yes, okay, straight ahead. That drive, he has to wait, that car, because that other car is on his side. Okay, slow down, there's a car coming there out of the driveway. We are turning right here and turn right here, slow down. Okay, slow down a bit. Look to the left when it's clear and then turn right. Okay, onto the driveway. Oh, slow down. Slow down. Oh. We are almost at our house where we are. We are almost there, so that's been a journey from here
That's
that
a
we...
good journey, that's a good drive.
Well,
That's
it's been all going
Thank you
all
for my
right.
instruction.
Yes, so
Thank you
it's
so much.
it's been going all right. We're now at the house here and it's been going all good, and yes, thank you for watching, and
Thank you for watching.
and I hope that you will learn from driving and how improve. We are gonna do more lessons and videos on it, so you can keep on following us or me or Marjorie on how to become a good driver, and I hope that you will learn a lot by watching our videos and improve your driving and your learning, and thank you for watching. Bye from us now. It's
Thank you for
thank
watching.
you, and thank you for watching, and that you're enjoying the videos, and there will be more in the future, and we like you to become a good and safe driver, and all the best for your future learnings.
Thank you.
But it's good to learn in practical, and that's what we are doing. That's the best way how to learn driving as well. And,
That's right.
And you will become good at it.
And that's
if-
what they're gonna wait soon. They're gonna watch more videos too.
Yes, and you will become good at driving. And,
Thank you for my driving
thank you.
instructor.
Yes.
Have a good one.